Most young adults want financial success, more money, more freedom, less stress. But there's one major problem. Most people are never taught how money actually works. School teaches subjects like history and math, but rarely teaches budgeting, investing, income building, or financial freedom. So many young adults enter adulthood completely unprepared financially. And because of that, they spend years making avoidable mistakes. That's why this video exists. In this video, I'm going to give you a beginner financial blueprint for young adults. A simple step-by-step system. No complicated advice, no unrealistic promises. Just practical financial principles that can completely change your future if you apply them early. Quick note, if you want my exact stock picks, I give away 3 high-quality picks every month for free. Link in the description. Let's get into it. Step 1. Understand where you are financially. This is where financial progress starts. Awareness. You need to know how much money you make, how much you spend, how much debt you have, and how much money you actually keep every month. A lot of people avoid looking at their finances because it feels uncomfortable. But avoiding the numbers never improves them. Clarity creates control. Once you understand your financial situation clearly, you can start improving it. Step 2. Stop trying to look successful. This is one of the biggest financial traps for young adults. A lot of people spend money trying to appear successful. Expensive clothes, expensive cars, constant upgrades. Social media creates enormous pressure to look rich. But appearances rarely create real wealth. Ownership creates wealth. Assets create wealth. Investments create wealth. The earlier you stop chasing appearances, the faster your financial future improves. Step 3. Build the habit of saving money. Even if the amount feels small. This habit matters enormously, because saving money creates financial breathing room. It creates flexibility, and eventually it creates investment capital. Most people spend everything they earn, which means every unexpected expense becomes stressful. Saving creates stability, and stability creates opportunity. Step 4. Learn the difference between assets and liabilities. This single concept can completely change how you think about money. Assets make you money. Liabilities cost you money. Assets include things like stocks, businesses, real estate, digital products, investments. Liabilities usually remove money from your pocket. The more assets you build early, the easier your future becomes. Step 5. Start investing as soon as possible. This is one of the biggest advantages young adults have. Time. Because time allows compounding to work. And compounding is incredibly powerful. Your investments grow. Then those gains start generating gains too. At first, the progress feels slow. But over long periods of time, it becomes dramatic. This is why starting early matters so much. Not because you need huge amounts of money, but because time is extremely valuable financially. Step 6. Avoid high-interest debt. This is critical. Credit card debt especially can quietly destroy financial progress, because interest compounds against you. Instead of your investments growing, your debt grows. This traps many people financially for years. That's why controlling debt early is one of the smartest financial moves young adults can make. Step 7. Focus on increasing your income. A lot of people focus only on cutting expenses. But income matters too, especially when you're young. The more valuable your skills become, the more money you can earn. This is why your early years should involve aggressive skill building, communication, sales, marketing, technology, content creation, business skills. Every skill you build increases your future earning power, and higher income creates more investing opportunities later. Step 8. Build multiple income streams slowly. Most financially successful people eventually create multiple income streams. This could include investments, side businesses, affiliate income, content creation, digital products, freelancing. You do not need to build everything immediately. The goal is simply to start building beyond one paycheck. Over time, those streams create flexibility and security. Step 9. Protect your attention. This matters more than most people realize. Modern life is filled with distractions, constant scrolling, constant entertainment, constant comparison. Attention is valuable, and where your attention goes, your future usually follows. Successful people become intentional with focus, because focus creates progress. Step 10. Choose your environment carefully. The people around you influence your habits and expectations. If everyone around you spends recklessly, avoids responsibility, and thinks short-term, that eventually affects you too. But if you surround yourself with disciplined, growth-focused people, your thinking changes naturally. This is why environment matters so much financially. Step 11. Think long-term while others think short-term. This is one of the biggest advantages you can develop. Most people focus only on immediate gratification, quick entertainment, quick money, quick validation. But long-term thinking creates enormous financial advantages. Every investment compounds. Every skill compounds. Every good habit compounds. This is why patience becomes so valuable. Step 12. Stop waiting for perfect timing. A lot of people delay financial progress because they think they need to know everything first. But most successful people started before they felt ready. They learned gradually, improved gradually, and built momentum through action. Waiting for perfect certainty usually delays growth. Step 13. Learn emotional control around money. This is one of the most underrated financial skills. People make emotional financial decisions constantly. Impulse spending, panic selling, chasing trends, comparing themselves to others. Successful people usually stay calmer financially because emotional decisions are often expensive. Step 14. Take care of your health. Your energy affects everything. Your focus, your productivity, your discipline. And long-term poor health eventually becomes financially expensive too. This is why health and financial success are more connected than many people realize. Step 15. Understand that financial success is usually slow at first. This is where many people quit, because progress feels invisible early on. You save, invest, learn, build skills, and for a while the results feel small. But eventually, momentum begins building. And once momentum starts, everything accelerates. Now let's simplify everything. If I were a young adult starting from zero today, this is exactly what I would focus on. Understand my finances clearly. Avoid trying to look rich. Build saving habits. Learn investing early. Avoid bad debt. Increase income. Build valuable skills. Create multiple income streams. Protect focus. Think long-term. And stay consistent. That's the blueprint. Simple, but incredibly powerful over time. And if you follow these principles long enough, your financial future can look completely different from the average person. And if you want a simple place to start investing, I'm giving away my 3 free stock picks. 1 overall stock, 1 value stock, and 1 high upside stock. They're selected using a strict system and are designed to help beginners start learning how to evaluate investments. You can grab them through the link below. Thank you for watching. If you want practical investing strategies and financial freedom content that actually makes sense, subscribe to the channel. I'll show you step by step how to build real wealth over time.